I didn't want him backing up into me, sir.
Hey, show you copy
I'm not
that.
going anywhere. Not going anywhere. Here's my phone right here. My phone's right here. Don't fucking shoot. Don't fucking shoot. I just don't want him backing up into me.
Don't fucking move. God damn it, dude.
He copied.
I'm not going nowhere.
Huh?
I'm not going anywhere.
Don't move. Hey. Turn it. I don't have drugs. Hey, I'm lying. Dude, why? Why?
Open the trunk. Open the trunk, sir. Open the trunk.
Is there people in there?
Yes, open the trunk.
Okay. Hey. They got bodies in the trunk. Bodies in...
None?
No, try to run me over. There are bodies in the trunk.
Hey, passenger, the driver's side, on the left, by the left foot. By the left foot. Driver's side, left foot. Shit. If you get me up, I'll open it. I'll open it if you guys can.
How many are in the trunk?
I'm sorry. Yes, there's this, right?
How many?
3. Hey, sir, help me up. I'll open the trunk for you. I can get it by myself. I need your permission if you want me to do that. Or I got it.
They're right there. They got him.
Border Patrol agents secured 6 other occupants of the vehicle, which included 1 U.S. citizen who was sitting in the front seat and exited the vehicle immediately before the shooting, 2 undocumented migrants in the back seat, and 3 additional undocumented migrants in the trunk. 2 agents who are trained as emergency medical technicians rendered aid to the driver of the vehicle by performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation and using an automated external defibrillator. The driver, a U.S. citizen, was declared deceased on the scene by the Pima County Sheriff's Department. This incident is under investigation by the Pima County Sheriff's Department and is under review by CBP's Office of Professional Responsibility. The review is still in the early stages. Once the investigation has concluded, CBP's National Use of Force Review Board will review the incident. CBP will share the results of the board review once it's complete.